Jensen Huang says all companies will need AI factories. Have you heard about the concept of AI factories that Jensen Huang discussed recently?
I've come across it, but I'm not entirely sure what it means. Can you explain?
Sure. Huang mentioned that all American companies will eventually need to become AI factories, producing both goods and AI.
That sounds fascinating. So, what exactly is an AI factory?
An AI factory is a one-stop shop that combines chips, software, design, and networking infrastructure specifically for AI development.
Wow, I didn't know that. How does this affect job creation?
Huang stated that the boom in data center construction will create skilled jobs in areas like construction and IT.
That's impressive. I read that nVidia plans to manufacture AI supercomputers entirely in the US. Is that true?
Yes, it is. This marks the first time such devices will be made completely domestically, which is a big step for the industry.
I see. Huang also mentioned the importance of supporting the American AI industry, right?
Exactly. He emphasized that we need to acknowledge skilled trades as respectable work necessary for building our country.
It sounds like the future of AI and manufacturing is really promising.
Absolutely. If we don't focus on manufacturing, we risk falling behind in a giant industry.